Yn gêm tyn iawn, Pen-y-bont yn tîm dda. Chi'n gweld pa mor gwrffordd grif i nhw, pa mor egniol, a chi'n gweld bod yna hyder dyn nhw. Chi'n gweld hwnna ni ware. A na pam nhw yn ail a wedi bod yn herio'r seintiau. So oedd yn mynd i fod yn gêm anodd heno, ond oedd bois ni wedi sefyll i fyny a brwydro reit trwy gydol y gêm. Ac wedi si hanner amser just cadw yn y gêm a just edrych am un neu ddau moment lle allan ni falle mynd amdani. A dyna beth wnaethon ni.
Yeah, no, it was a tough game. We know they're a really good team. They do what they do it really well. But we knew if we had a game plan and if we execute it, we might be able to get the win. That's what we did.
First half, I thought we were the dominant side without really creating an awful lot, but probably maybe deserved to be ahead. And then second half, we came out strong and got the goal. We didn't create an awful lot throughout the game, but we were dominant until obviously the key moment of the game. Billy Bowes got caught the wrong side of the player. The player's had a good touch to get across him, and he can't help but clatter him. It's a penalty if it's in the box. I think it is in the box, so it's a penalty definitely. But he hasn't intentionally. I don't think he's even made any movement at all. But he's just got caught the wrong side, and Lewis Rees had a great touch across his body, and he's just brought him down. There's no way in the world that should be a red card, and that was the pivotal moment of the game.
Nid yn arbennig o dda i fod yn chwech uchel yn y cyngred yma. Mae lot o tîm arbennig o dda, so yeah, ymlaen â ni.